What's up guys? Sorry for this informal setting, but it's really late and I've been working on this video for many hours. So I've decided to make some technology review videos, specifically car technology review videos. Some of them I've already done, such as a $19 radar detector, such as a car power washer, such as the car blow dryer, and maybe a couple more. You guys can see those in my videos if you're interested. So I've decided to make a subsection for car tech reviews, and of course I'll try to keep it interesting by having some tomfoolery interspersed throughout. So I picked up a couple of drones, and well, more than a couple actually, as I'm testing them out to see which ones would work the best. And I chose this one, the Contixo F20. I'm about to review it, so you'll see the reasons why I chose it. But basically, I just wanted to kind of spice up the channel, do some things a little bit differently. I start to take some drone footage in this video, but it's kind of my first time, so it's not that great. But if you guys have any ideas of what kind of stuff you'd like to see with drones and cars, let me know. For example, I want to have the drone follow me in the car and things like that. This drone, the Contixo F20, actually is quite fast. It goes over 35 miles an hour, and it has a follow me mode. It's very precise, so I think we're going to do some fun things with this. But anyway, I digress. Here is the review for the Contixo F20 drone, which is about a mid-range drone, right around $250, and I think it's awesome. Here we go. The Contixo F20, what I think is the best mid-range price drone, around $250 with a built-in 1080p video and picture camera. It can follow you around and record you. It has GPS so it can remember where it took off and go back there if it gets lost. It can circle around you or something else and record. It has automatic hovering. It can do flight paths, which you can choose. And it has brushless motors for more efficiency. And most importantly, you can rotate the camera down. Many drones do not come with this critical feature to actually look down at what you're trying to record. It is essential. Do not buy a drone without it if you want to make videos. Let's see what's in the box. This drone comes with an awesome suitcase you can just toss in here with the rest of your junk, detailing supplies, photo supplies, etc. Drone. So that you can just open up your trunk and be ready for action. It's a really nice quality, kind of like a soft plastic with a netting on the inside. You can put your manuals in there or whatever. Drone fits right in there, comes out. Room for 2 batteries actually, which is a nice touch to put that extra battery in there. This phone part comes off here. And you've got your remote, fits right in there. These antennas just fold down like that. And then you have your smartphone holder, which just plugs right in really easily. Comes with 4 extra propellers, some other kind of parts, a screwdriver and whatnot. Looks like some washers, presumably to change the propellers if you need to. Yeah, it's a really nice little case. You can, just like I said, just pop it in there and carry it. It keeps everything safe. There's a nice handle on it with a nice soft, grippy kind of rubber under there so you don't drop it. It pulls out and it retracts so that if you have a bigger hand or a smaller hand, it'll adjust and then go right back into place so you can fold it away. Very nice. Okay, here we are using auto takeoff and also auto hovering. I love these features. Anyone can do them with a single push of a button. It's hovering in place here, very stable. You get the picture. No pun intended. Yeah. Okay, camera moving a little bit more downward and taking the drone down to see the leaves. Excellent video quality here. Moving a little bit closer. The drone is pretty still regardless of the massive updraft of being right above the ground. Moving forward and stopping. Pointing the camera back up. Coming back and a stop. It stops itself automatically when you let up. It's very precise. Taking off here, I sped this up to 200% speed, but the drone is fast. It's actually the fastest drone in its class at this price point. Little pause here to admire the video quality. You really can't find better video quality at this price point. It's much better than your run-of-the-mill sports camera, for example. That was fake. A little more footage. Keep in mind this is way up in the air, where it's quite breezy. That was me. You can see the autumn leaves starting to turn. Very awesome colors. Oh, there's a TIE fighter, I think that's called. I don't know what that's doing in there. That's how high up we are, guys. Oh boy. I mean, I can't even explain how high this thing goes, and we haven't even gotten to the highest point yet. You can see the curvature of the Earth. Just kidding. I mean, you can see so far, it's unbelievable. And look at the trees. It's beautiful. The colors. Up we go. Even higher. And even higher. We are so high that the Star Destroyer has arrived. Trying to keep things interesting. So that's how high the drone is, if you can even see it, and that's not even as high as it goes. Here's the view from the camera. I can pan up. I can totally see what I'm doing on my smartphone. Pretty awesome, huh? Alright, so what I'm going to do is lay this down and bring her down here. Alright, so here I'm actually navigating really close to some tree branches. You don't want to hit tree branches with this thing, so I'm kind of moving back and forth a little bit to dodge the branches and the leaves, and I'm checking out this old beehive, and then I'm going to fly right back out. This is normal speed. I'm not speeding up the video or anything like that. Zoom right out of there. I just didn't want to hit anything, but that's how precise it is. You can actually get into the woods with this thing and not worry about crashing into anything. You got to be careful, of course. Taking off here, I did speed this up to 2.5x. Just a circle mode. That's normal speed right there. This drone's actually really fast. It's probably the fastest drone in its class at this price point. That's me. A couple more zoom by shots here. This thing is 37 miles per hour. Look at the detail on my shoe. So high quality. These pictures are amazing. So high up. That's like me way down there. You can't even see me.
forget to like, subscribe, share, and always be kinder than necessary. Yay!